Thank you.
Thank you so much, our moderator. I'm humbled to get this opportunity and to be part of this amazing team and handling the closure. My name is John Wiruri Mbute, an area that is lifestyle advisor with Opulence Global. First is to thank our team that has done presentation, our moderator, Rusi Karanja, our presenter on products and business, Magin Joroge, our testimonials, Ototo Jane, and Rusi Kuria. It has been a very good, articulate presentation. Crystal clear, digestible, and user-friendly, I believe. And I believe if our new members want more information or clarity, they can always get to people who invited them. And truly, it shows that teamwork makes the dream work. And members, I would like to share a little about myself as an area and somebody who has been in Opulence for the last 1.5 years. I was attracted by the fact that the products work. That's first of all. As an engineer, I was not much into understanding health. I just knew an apple a day keeps doctor away. But to be honest, I didn't know what that meant. I just knew vegetables, fruits, and you're okay as far as health is concerned. Not until now you have challenges when I came here in South Sudan, and I started having challenges. Then I noticed, okay, whatever I'm getting is not sufficient. It's not very good as far as health is concerned. So I needed to supplement. So I tried several supplements until I met a doctor. She's called Dr. Anne, who was sharing the amazing story of her FOL and what it has done for her. So to me, I was interested, and after running of FOL, I learned what is oxidation, what it does, and generally how to take care of your health in a different level. And that is something, after testing and knowing how it is working, it is something I wanted to have, not just for me, but for my family. I looked at my aging parents. I looked at aging people within our family. I looked at my wife, my children. I looked at family holistically, friends I know that would need such a product. Then that's when we sat down with a friend, and I was given a deeper depth on business part of it. And that's what got me going. And as much as I wanted health and health and health, after 1.5 years, I had to sit down and look at my goals and ask myself, why am I in Opulence Global? And I can say, as of now, it is health, it is income, and the income. Ladies and gentlemen, if we look at the life we are living now, we are in age of self-reliance. With COVID-19 as an example, hyperinflation, technological development, which scales down employment opportunity. The big question is, what is next? How do we fit in? How do we structure ourselves to be able to make something, or to be able to take care of ourselves, health-wise and financially? Ladies and gentlemen, with all that is happening, birth of a revolution has come. Revolution on how we can earn and be healthy. That's why we have a structure that provides coaching and has revealed years ago, there is no secret to succeed. There is system to succeed. We have a platform that is making things work. But we have to work. We have to make decisions, and we have to grow in it. Ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you, personally, I have been working for 2 decades now. I don't have a business idea or worked in business. But through Opulence in 1.5, I have learned so much, and I have so much to learn still, that I'm finding future in this. And as always I say, I'm retiring myself. I'm not retiring the way we know it. Look at a car, an example as a car, and then you put new tires. So me, I'm putting new tires to my car and running to use them so that I can take care of myself. Because whether we like it or not, we will have bills. Whether we get out of jobs, whether things change, whether COVID comes, we have bills and we have to take care of them. We have health and we have to take care of it. You can see what is happening. With synthetic things coming in day and day out, we need to be healthy, because without her, we are not able to do anything for the dependents we have. And then we need to have finances to handle issues and to see our young ones grow. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I wind up, unless we have somebody with a question, I would like to end there and ask our visitors to really look at what has been presented. You look at it keenly, you call yourself a meeting, you ask yourself, where are you? Where are you going? And what are you going to do about it? This is a clear opportunity. This is a platform, and I can guarantee you, we can run together. Personally, I have run from this great team, and I'm still running. And we can grow, and we can grow financially. Thank you.
Wow, 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 Moirore, you just nailed it. You totally nailed it. I mean, you've just said it. You've just said exactly as it is. As they say, you've hit the nail on the head. Pop, kabisa. Thank you so much for that amazing, amazing closure. But before we close, I'd love to just call one absolutely phenomenal lady, the lady who brought this business not only to Kenya, but also to Africa. And she's the one, she made me her guinea pig, and I totally accepted being her guinea pig. And the pleasure I felt and what I went through, I've never regretted, I've never looked back, and I will always be so thankful to her. Nancy Keheka, please, we cannot end without you saying a jumbo or give us a word. And we are so, so very grateful. This lady is always there for us, no matter what time, no matter what it is. She's always there. She's helping us. She holds our hands. She takes us to the next step. She's absolutely such an amazing human being. Love her to bits. Nancy, please share a word with us before we close.
Wow, thank you so much, Lucy Karanja. I can't stop my excitement because of how this business has made a difference in our lives. I'm here listening to Moirore as he's closing, and I'm asking myself, oh my God, I can't even say anything after that, you know? Yeah. But allow me just to say, this is a real business for the visitors who are here. It is a business that will not only give you health, but also it is a business that you can help other people out there. And this is what I normally tell people. You might not come in here for your own sake. You might feel, I am okay. I don't need money. I don't need to do this. You know, some people call it small business type of business, you know. And I tell people, let me tell you, the reason why I would like you to grab this opportunity is because of the people that God has connected you with. This could be your family people who are suffering out there with health. This could be your family people who are suffering out there. And especially now, Moirore has said what has happened. So many people has lost jobs. So many people are looking for what they can do. And with this opportunity, I want you to come on board and help us touch those lives, because we can't do it alone. But together, if we combine our efforts, we'll be able to change other people's lives. So Lucy, I just like telling people, don't become selfish. Don't think I have nothing to do with this. Think outside the box. Think about the people God has connected you with, as your family, as your friends, as even acquaintances, as your workmates, whatever it is, because you can make a difference in their lives. Thank you, Lucy Karanja, our guinea pig. And I just want to say, do you know that Lucy Karanja, even yesterday, she was our guinea pig, our first hybrid event. She was actually our guinea pig. Thank you so much, and God bless each one of you. Maybe, Lucy, if you can allow visitors, anybody who has a question, maybe you can give them 1 minute or 2 minutes. Back to you.
Indeed. Yes, I always seem to get thrown under the bus. All right, but no problem. I love it. Indeed, any visitors, we're welcome. You're welcome to unmute yourself, ask a question. Don't be shy. I know how it feels. I was the same, but imagine you can actually share. You'll be good. You'll be well. Any questions, any comments are most welcome. You can just unmute yourself. Everybody's
Lucy,
shy. My goodness.